Hello, my dear students. Good news, good news, good news for everyone who are preparing for your board exams. Whoever are getting ready for the board exams, it is a good news for you. So as I was going through, I was scrolling, and then I came across this circular sent from the board to all the ICSE schools. Bifurcated, okay, theory syllabus for ICSC and ISC class 12 for academic year 2021 and 22. Okay, so what is written in this circular? Let us go through it. Okay, so I'll explain you everything. So it is C. Circular talks about it is directly written that to all the principals of the affiliated schools that in view of the continuing pandemic situation in the country, the disruption in educational activities brought about due to extended lockdown and various alternative modes of syllabus transaction that need to be adopted due to closure of schools, the CISC had carried out an extensive exercise of syllabus review. So after going through the review, my dear, you can see here they have decided that they will be conducting your board exam in two phases. That means they have divided the exams into two semesters. That means first semester and the second semester. Okay, first semester and the second semester. For you can see here in the first semester which will be conducted in the month of November. That means first semester of the student, that means the students preparing for 2022, your first semester exam will be held in the month of November 2001. Okay, and in this examination, my dear, you don't have to worry, my dear. This will be an MCQ questions. MCQ means a multiple choice questions will be asked with you as per the syllabus. Whichever syllabus are given for you in history and political science, you have to prepare it thoroughly, and you will be given 4 options. Out of that 4 options, you have to choose the correct option. And this exam will be conducted online. Clearly mentioned. It is clearly mentioned this exam will be conducted online. Okay, but for the second semester examination which will be held next year in the month of March and April 2022, it is not clearly mentioned. It will be conducted in online and offline mode. It can be, if the situation is normal, then offline. If the situation remains the same, pandemic situation continues and remains the same, then you have to write it online. Okay, so online you have to, that means it will be a written exam. It will be written exam. First one is MCQ question based. Here it is a written one. Okay, examination will be conducted in online offline mode depending upon the pandemic situation in the country. Okay, the question paper of each semester examination will be 80 out of 100 marks of ICSC and 70 out of marks for ISC. Okay, so this is mentioned over here that you can read it yourself. Also visit the CISC website and you can read the entire circular. But the main outcome of this circular is that examination will be held in 2 semesters. First semester, second semester. Second semester examination will be held in the month of November, and the second semester examination will be held next year in the month of March and April, which will be online and offline mode, like what we are doing right now. Right, we are doing it online, we write the exam and in a piece of paper, and then we upload it on those channels. Okay children, so this is the circular. Now let us go through the syllabus of history, how it is bifurcated. Okay, you can see here, as per the reduced syllabus for ISC class 12 year 2000 exam, you can see here semester 1 you have to prepare this chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether you have to prepare 6 chapters, and out of these 6 chapters you will be asked MCQ questions. No need of writing, no need to learn long answers. Okay, so this examination, first semester examination, will be held in the month of November. Okay, now the second semester examination, which will be of 40 marks, you can see here altogether again the entire syllabus is divided into 2 parts. Okay, in the first semester 6 units you have to prepare, and in the second semester you have to prepare only 5 units. Okay, so that remaining we are going to do it. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chapters are same, units are same, but they have divided it. Okay, the first semester MCQ, second semester written examination, that will be online or offline. Okay, this is the history syllabus. Now let us go through political science syllabus. You can see here political science bifurcated syllabus. Okay, semester 1, semester 2. Semester 1 will be of 40 marks, semester 2 will be of 40 marks. Okay, so here also you can see how many: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, forms of government, constitution, franchise, legislature, executive. From these 5 chapters, MCQ questions you have to prepare, and from 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 you have to prepare long questions like before. Okay, you have to write the exam. That also not sure whether online or offline. If the situation is favorable, then you'll go to school and write the exam offline, and if the situation remains same, then you have to sit at home and do the online examination. Hope children you are happy with this news, my dear. Now your burden is lowered, so please start preparing, relax yourself, prepare your mind, and according to this new circular, start preparing yourself. Okay, thank you for watching. If you still have any doubts related to this new circular and syllabus, you can just comment me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. Please take care of yourself, and please take care of yourself. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.